So hi guys and welcome back to matt2php.com video tutorials, and today we will continue to make the matt2web.com webpage, which is not done yet, and we left off with adding a side link to the page. And before we add the side link, uh, uh, okay, we can now add the side link. Let's make a user control. We didn't make it, so let's make it now. You can add new users and la la la. It's basically the same layout as here. You just copy and add user will be ID of one. Add users. Let's call it add users PHP, and add users will be with the link of this, only with ID of one and a. So what does? Oh, we don't have the add user. We don't have the add user PHP file, so we will make it now. Let's do it the same. Let's just copy the while loops out from here and just redesign it to what we need. Let's include the conn file, connection file, code com.php, and from users, and users were just ID, and user was username as far as I can remember. Let's check user, that's right, username, user pass type, username, user pass type, username, user pass type. Let's make it 100 pixels, and we will also have a delete and edit button. And one line was out, so it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and unless add users, and maybe besides user, let's just make it and save it. And users, check the web page, control. Okay, we don't have it here, so it must be a different file name. Add user, an index. Sorry, an admin PHP. Add users is add1, add user. Okay. So okay, we have a Harold and matt2web. Okay, we can always make a search and la 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 and la la la. We already made the delete function for the add sidebar menu, so we just copy it from sidebar, main sidebar, add main sidebar, and it was here. Just copy it. From just remember users, and we also had the add function. Submit and copy it here. Just delete. The very real strange thing is just the program remembers that we are using this MySQL database. But for many MySQL, I suggest you make select db not to PHP, because I don't know, in different maybe server versions the PHP remembers that it's using the same database, but I suggest you write this code also everywhere, just to make sure in case. So add there is username. No, let's leave it like it was. Title this and blah blah. Username, user password, and user type, admin or user. So now we need to copy the form. Copy the form. just below this, and title is username, user pass, type. Let's check how much time, 5 minutes. Okay, so user type, it should be a select button. So let's type a select name equals kw, just make it both here at the same time. kw, and select button tab like this. This is the basic, and then there are options. Value equals admin user, and option number 2 is user, simple user. Alright, so the value right here is this, and the value right here is user. Remember that you don't need to write this, and it will basically post this information, but I suggest you write this in case you're using multiple languages on your web pages. You can write in Russian, Latvian, German, and leave this as a default. So save it. Let us see. So let's add another admin user, and another admin user will be David, and password 123. Admin user, admin. Alright, so it didn't insert anything here, so I must check what's an error. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. So maybe it inserted in this database. So yes, it inserted in this database because I didn't rewrite the insert into. So I need to just rewrite this to users. Post it back inside, and then just refresh it, and now here is admin. So if I go to my page, log out, David, so I add in my in sidebar, so David and password 123, and log in, and I'm an admin. So I go in admin, and then I delete this David right here. So in users we can add now, and we can delete now. So I suggest you don't add, you can add, but let the users register from themselves. So that's it for this tutorial, and on next tutorial we will be making a subcategory, or actually I don't know yet because I didn't have any plan for this web page. I want to make it how for you to see how to make a web page, but I will, in this web page we will make PHP codes for you to download, and for you to write me something what you need to write to me. So let's see how it will go, and wish you good luck. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.